In this video, we will compare two hosting platforms, Cloudways and Kinsta. We will look into their performance, pricing and value, features, security, ease of use, and customer support. You can also find the timestamps for each section in the description below if you want to skip ahead. And if at any point you would like to check out the latest discounts for Cloudways and Kinsta, use the links in the descriptions. These are affiliate links to help to support the channel without any extra cost to you. Now, let's dive in. First, performance. Cloudways delivers exceptional performance by offering hosting through top cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, and AWS. Using NVMe SSDs and advanced caching solutions like Redis and Varnish, Cloudways ensures rapid data processing and page load times often under 200 milliseconds. Its multiple caching layers optimize websites for high traffic, making it an excellent choice for dynamic content and e-commerce platforms. The flexibility to choose your server provider and pay-as-you-go pricing makes scalability seamless. Built exclusively on Google Cloud C2 virtual machines, Kinsta focuses on speed and reliability. Features like server-level caching, edge caching, and global CDN provide blazing fast performance. Kinsta also proactively monitors sites 480 times per day to guarantee 99.9% uptime and consistent speed, making it ideal for WordPress sites. The winner for performance? Cloudways. While Kinsta offers exceptional performance for managed WordPress hosting, Cloudways wins in versatility and customization. Cloudways' ability to host on multiple cloud infrastructures with advanced caching solutions makes it suitable for a broader range of websites, not just WordPress sites. The support for dynamic high-traffic websites like e-commerce platforms and real-time applications gives Cloudways an edge for businesses with complex hosting needs. The pay-as-you-go model and granular resource allocation enables Cloudways users to scale their hosting environment seamlessly, ensuring consistent performance without overpaying for unused resources. For developers, agencies, or businesses that value customization and performance optimization across various platforms, Cloudways' advanced cloud infrastructure is the clear choice. Next, let's look at pricing and value. Cloudways plans start at $11 per month for DigitalOcean's entry-level offering. This entry-level plan includes 1 GB RAM, 25 GB storage, and 1 TB bandwidth. The pay-as-you-go model is its standout feature, allowing users to only pay for the resources they actually use. This makes Cloudways an economical choice for websites that experience variable traffic patterns or are still scaling up. As your website grows, Cloudways makes it easy to add more server resources such as CPU, RAM, or storage. The ability to fine-tune your hosting plan prevents overpaying for unnecessary features, making it highly efficient for advanced users. While Cloudways caters more to advanced users, its entry-level pricing provides affordable access to premium cloud hosting. However, beginners may face additional costs for features like email hosting and premium support, which are not included in the base price. For small businesses or individuals starting out, these additional expenses can add up. For developers, agencies, or power users, Cloudways' flexibility and resource allocation make it a powerhouse. With the freedom to choose from top cloud providers like Vultr, AWS, and Google Cloud, advanced users can configure their hosting environment to suit their exact requirements. The platform's robust feature set and scalability justify the higher initial cost for resource-intensive projects. Kinsta's pricing starts at $35 per month, offering a flat rate plan that includes premium features like free migrations, managed WordPress updates, a built-in Cloudflare CDN, and daily backups. While this pricing may seem steep for beginners, it includes everything needed to launch and maintain a high-performing WordPress site, making it an all-inclusive package. Unlike Cloudways' pay-as-you-go model, Kinsta's flat-rate pricing ensures cost predictability. This is particularly useful for users who prefer fixed monthly expenses without worrying about fluctuating costs based on usage. However, higher tier plans quickly become expensive as resources and features scale up. Kinsta's bundled features and user-friendly interface make it a compelling choice for WordPress beginners who want all-in-one solution. There's no need to worry about configuring complex settings, as Kinsta handles much of the back-end management for you. The inclusion of free migrations and expert WordPress support simplifies the setup process for less technical users. For experienced users managing multiple WordPress sites, Kinsta's streamlined dashboard and premium tools like server-level caching and proactive monitoring offer great convenience. However, the lack of flexibility to choose server providers or customize resource allocation may be a drawback for developers and businesses with more complex hosting needs. So, who's the winner for pricing and value? It's a tie. The decision between Cloudways and Kinsta in terms of pricing and value depends heavily on your needs and technical expertise. Cloudways excels in providing value for advanced users and developers who need flexibility, scalability, and control over their hosting environment. It's also cost-effective for small to medium businesses with fluctuating traffic and budgets. Kinsta offers excellent value for beginners and WordPress-centric users seeking a seamless, all-in-one hosting experience. Its flat-rate pricing and premium features justify the higher cost for those who prioritize simplicity and predictable expenses. Next, let's look at features. Known for its flexibility, Cloudways supports multiple cloud providers and offers staging environments, real-time monitoring, and Redis Object Cache Pro for advanced caching. These features are ideal for developers and businesses needing granular control over their hosting environment. My Kinsta dashboard simplifies website management with one-click backups, staging, and resource monitoring. Features like automatic database optimization, self-healing, PHP, and multilingual support make it highly user-friendly. So, the winner for performance? It's a tie. Cloudways for advanced features, Kinsta for simplicity. Cloudways wins for power users and developers, while Kinsta's simplicity makes it a better fit for those who prefer hands-off management. Next, we have security. Cloudways security features include firewalls, automated patching, and bot protection through Malcare. Additionally, IP whitelisting and application-level security make it ideal for businesses requiring robust protection. With a free Cloudflare integration, DDoS protection, and daily malware scans, Kinsta provides enterprise-level security. Its proactive approach includes site monitoring and quick resolutions for vulnerabilities. Winner for security? Tie. Kinsta wins for beginners and WordPress users, and Cloudways for advanced users. Kinsta's seamless integration with Cloudflare, proactive monitoring, and automated malware protection make it superior for users seeking a hands-off security approach. Cloudways provides more robust and customizable security for businesses and developers requiring granular control over their hosting environment. While Kinsta has stronger default and automated security for WordPress users, Cloudways offers a more flexible and comprehensive security framework for advanced setups. Next, let's look at the ease of use. Right away, we can say that Cloudways is built for advanced users. Unlike traditional cPanel, Cloudways provides its own custom control panel designed for managing servers and applications with greater flexibility. The panel allows users to perform advanced tasks, such as deploying staging environments, scaling resources, managing backups, and configuring server-level settings like caching and SSL certificates. Cloudways empowers users with a high level of control over their hosting environment. Features such as real-time monitoring, detailed analytics, and granular customization make it appealing for developers and agencies managing complex projects. However, this flexibility comes at the cost of steeper learning curve, making it less suitable for beginners or those unfamiliar with server management. Kinsta, on the other hand, is designed for ease and accessibility. Kinsta's My Kinsta interface is a standout feature, offering a clean and intuitive design that simplifies hosting management. Users can easily navigate through tasks such as setting up websites, managing domains, enabling backups, and monitoring resource usage. The dashboard also includes helpful visualizations for analytics and traffic data, providing insights at a glance. Kinsta excels in creating a seamless onboarding experience. New users are guided step by step through the setup process with features like one-click WordPress installation, automatic site migrations, and predefined settings tailored to WordPress users. This makes it especially appealing for small businesses and non-technical individuals who want a hassle-free start. Kinsta minimizes manual intervention by automating many back-end processes, such as backup, performance optimization, and plugin updates. Users can spend more time focusing on their websites and less on technical configurations. So the winner for ease of use is Kinsta. Kinsta emerges as the winner due to its user-centric design and beginner-friendly features. Its interface and automation capabilities significantly reduce the complexity of managing a website, making it an ideal choice for non-technical users or those new to hosting. While Cloudways provides unparalleled power and flexibility for advanced users, its steeper learning curve and technical requirements make it less accessible for beginners. Conversely, Kinsta's focus on simplicity ensures that even those without technical expertise can effectively manage their hosting environment. Last, let's look at customer support. Cloudways offers 24/7 live chat and ticket-based support, but premium support plans cost extra. While knowledgeable, response times for complex issues can vary. Known for its fast and expert WordPress support, Kinsta provides 24/7 live chat, multilingual assistance, and a highly responsive team. So the winner for customer support? Kinsta. For WordPress-focused users, Kinsta's support is unparalleled. So, what would be the final recommendation? Choose Cloudways if you're a developer, agency, or business needing flexibility, scalability, and granular control over hosting configurations. Choose Kinsta if you're a WordPress user seeking an easy-to-use, all-in-one solution with premium performance and support. Now, it's your turn to dive in and explore these platforms for yourself. Use the links in the description to learn more about SiteGround and Kinsta and take the first step toward launching your website already today. I'm also curious to know which provider you're leaning toward and why. Let me know in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.